Wadaji afia ni die mu yentie nsam no nkyere mu ankasa. Savannah mantam ni moswafo ye Said Mahazudin Jabril ede ya make se wabo proko ye nuanom nsuo ayiri abeto won ewo bupe wo Central Gonja mensim wo Savannah mantam ni mu ne kasa na ban no beboa won na gese bia wo motie nsuo ha wo madwenbre bia no wo motu free ho Adom TV etwaso.
Said Mahazudin Jabril ene Savannah mantam moswafo Nenam nansen nsuo yiriye ewo bupe wo Central Gonja mensne wo Savannah mantam ne monte no ena obanan ya de ko honom na wona wo mo ho kaaye no wo hye wo mo se aban demmoa ebebre wo mo se de beya ombetumi afiri sabia ho na hoto ayomodia so sofo ye etredia de aban ba be ye edi amakromafui ebeboa pa bo mo chapade ene won kwa eho ban enkanka ene mofra wo mota ko school eno nti oda de sreto o man hena owo bupe traditional area sada woroma wontwa asase bin fama aban ne se de beya won man suatwa wo mafiefie mu no obetime yi wo mu edi o makoho
by the close of the day because of the urgency of the situation. I needed to come and see firsthand what the people are going through. We are organizing some food items, rice and some oil. We brought some bottled water from the office of the vice president for now. However, we are lacing up with NADMO and the authorities that matter. In the next 2-3 days, we would have gotten something for them.
In which ya wonchire Abdullah Yakubu ya wono ejina Gonja Flooding kasaye ya wono ejina wonma wo ho kaaye wonso yiri simi ho kasaye enso so kire se saban si obeyi wo mafiri baabi omowo e de omako bebe fufura wo mososo e wo twan mu.
Very bad experience. It is the only way is for us to relocate. So I'm going to lace up with it. You see, I'm here with the entire Central Gonja District Assembly, technocrats, the politicians, everybody is here with us, so that we'll make sure that the right decisions are taken, particularly those who have started constructing new houses. You know, when we're on top of the water, you realize that some people have started even constructing new houses. We are going to stop them. I interacted with them. You can clearly see that they are ready to move. So we have to facilitate land for them to be able to move. So I have asked the district chief executive to speak to the overlord of the Bupe traditional area. And you know, Premtobre Kasee the second.
Osansem we nyina ho no, nadmo adwuma ekwe wo honom no, abom ho modin pa. Nipa ni bia wo ho kan wo senso yiri mu no. Wayi wo mafiri baabi o mo wo mprempen ade, okopesuko bi mo odi o mo.